This video walks you through how to create a balance sheet in Wave. Begin by logging in to your Wave account. Once you are signed in, you will arrive at the main dashboard for your business. From here, look to the left-hand menu where Wave keeps the main navigation options. This menu is where you will move into the reporting area to generate the balance sheet. Click Reports in the left-hand menu. After the Reports page opens, you will see a list of available financial reports. Find Balance Sheet and select it. This opens the Balance Sheet Report view, where you can set the date and reporting format before generating the final version. Next, choose the As of Year and Date. This setting controls the point in time the balance sheet reflects, so make sure it matches the reporting period you need. The balance sheet in Wave is based on a specific date rather than a date range, which is why this selection matters before you continue. If the default date is not the one you want, update it here before moving on. After that, select the report type. Depending on the options available in your Wave account, this setting changes how the report is displayed or organized. Take a moment to confirm that the report type matches the format you want to review or export. If you are preparing the report for a particular purpose, this is the place to make that adjustment. Once the year, date, and report type are set, click Update Report. Wave will refresh the report using the selections you made. If the page takes a moment to load, wait for the updated figures to appear before reviewing the details. When the balance sheet is displayed, review the report carefully. Focus on the three main sections: assets, liabilities, and equity. The assets section shows what the business owns at that selected date. Liabilities shows what the business owes. Equity reflects the remaining value in the business after liabilities are accounted for. As you look through the report, make sure the amounts shown align with the date you selected and the records in your account. If you need a copy outside of Wave, click Export to download the report. This gives you a file you can save, share, or attach to other records as needed. Before exporting, it is worth confirming one last time that the date and report type are correct, since the downloaded version will match the report currently on screen. After the export finishes, you can open the downloaded file from your computer if needed, or keep it saved for later use. Your balance sheet in Wave has now been created and exported if needed.